It gives me immense pleasure to be a part of this program, as this is an event where our own alumnus, distinguished alumnus of 2009-13 batch, is the guest of honor, who is now working as perception software engineer for DECA Research in United States.
You have always a choice to choose what you want to do. So leverage on that, manifest your efforts and your work on that, and therefore you will be happy doing at the end what you want to do. So I want to give throw some ideas why you wanted to study. If you see in math, this is a Fibonacci series, and have you ever imagined when a Fibonacci series is actually used? So if you're climbing up the stairs and you can climb up 1 or 2 steps at a time, then if you have 10 stairs to climb, your 10th Fibonacci series number will be the answer for how many times you can climb up the stairs. What I'm showing here is a very simple network where it is trained with 3 objects: a cat, a person, and a car. And what it is trying to show you also is like it is detecting a person who's standing back, probably as a human, which is right. So we have a neural network and their weights loaded onto the computer in the robot. And every time it sees an object of the interest that we have, that's what we call training. Like we have trained the network to detect 3 different objects. In this case, there's a traffic cones, human, and a stop sign. This is the 3 different training cases. The robot doesn't know where they exist in the world. It's going to see that, and based on that, it's going to perform some maneuver. But what happens is, as soon as the neural network detects it, it's going to give out the bounding boxes, which is a box around the obstacle, and it's also going to give the coordinates in the image frame. And we need to do some mathematical transformations. All of this is math. Everything is math transformation to put it into the base frame or the reference frame where we drive the motors and then plan the path accordingly. So it has various sensors in it, and we collect all of these sensor information, and based on that we understand the world and plan a path. So that is what is called the perception software, and that's also what I'm doing currently at work. But this was the start of all of it. Let's watch it in live. It's a very short video, about 30 seconds. Now it's seeing a traffic cone, and whenever it sees a traffic cone, I asked it to perform a roundabout. So and then performing the roundabout, it's going on with the waypoints that it is given to, and it is my friend. Whenever it sees a human, it tries to avoid it and then continue further. And then at the stop sign, it comes to a complete stop. Of what you will enjoy doing. There are plenty of career opportunities out there, plenty of study options, plenty of jobs out there. So think about what you will enjoy the best and try to focus all your efforts towards that.